Hey, let me show you how you can install this nano SIM card into your Redmi Note 13. So first of all, you have to remember about the proper size of this card. It's actually the nano SIM card. Now you have to grab the SIM tool. It's actually in the box of the Redmi Note 13. And the SIM slot appears at the bottom next to the speaker. So you have to input this SIM tool inside, like this. And now when you press on it, it will actually jump out. So do this gently. There we go. Now remove the SIM tool. You can use, for example, your fingernails to take it off. And as you can see from this, we can actually input the SIM card right here or right here, because we can find the dual SIM slot. So here is the first one and here is the second one. Let's input it, for example, on the first slot. We have to do this here. And now when you properly input it, it will actually doesn't go above this SIM tray. So now to put it back, you have to just put it in this position and press with your fingernail. And now it's inside. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.